Okay, so today we are going to learn about the if function in Excel. If function is a conditional function which is going to check the condition. If the condition is true, then it is going to print a specific value. If false, then according to it, it is going to print the false value. So here the data is given. The ages of two brothers has been given. The Amit age is of 34 and Sumit age is of 40. So here we are going to find out who is the big brother or elder brother. Okay. So here we are going to mention the formula is equal to if. Here three values we have to pass. The first one is the logical test. Second one is the if the value is true, what we have to return, and the third one is that if false, if the logical test is false, what we have to return. So here we are going to check the logical condition. I4 is greater than I5. Then we are going to print the elder brother's name, that is Amit. If the logical test is false, means Amit's age is not greater than the Sumit's age, then we are going to print the Sumit. Okay, so according to the syntax, we are going to close the bracket and we are going to press the enter, so it will return us the uh, answer regarding the particular condition. So here it is going to return the Sumit. If you are going to change the age of Amit, suppose if we are going to mention 44 years, then see the elder brother's age is changed over here. The elder brother name is changed, that is Amit. Okay, so according to this, the formula is working. Okay, so this is the use of if condition. Thank you.